Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot. Managing your files effectively keeps your content library clean and ensures your team can quickly find what they need. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to follow along. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all HubSpot activities. Now, let's navigate to where your files are stored. Look at the left navigation menu and hover your cursor over the option labeled Content. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. Look for Files and click on it. This will take you directly to the Files dashboard where all your documents, images, and other assets live. Once you're in the Files section, you'll see your entire content library laid out. To locate the specific file you want to work with, you can either use the search bar at the top or manually browse through your existing folders. This search functionality is especially helpful if you have a large number of files stored. If you want to organize your files better, you can create folders to group related content together. Simply click Create Folder on the upper part of your screen and enter a descriptive folder name. Once created, you can move or copy files into this new folder to keep everything structured and easy to navigate. To edit any file's details, click on the file name itself. This opens the Details pane where you can update important metadata like the file name, description, or even adjust who can see it. Speaking of visibility, if you need to control access to specific files, look for the Manage Access option in the Details pane. This lets you set permissions and determine exactly who on your team can view or use the file. Moving files between folders is straightforward too. Select one or more files by checking the boxes next to them, then choose the Move option and pick your destination folder. This helps you reorganize content as your needs evolve without having to re-upload anything. If you need to delete files, select the file or files you want to remove, then click Move to Trash and confirm the deletion. Don't worry if you accidentally delete something. HubSpot keeps deleted files in a trash or recycle bin area where you can restore them if needed. This safety net gives you peace of mind when cleaning up your library. Finally, refresh your files view to verify that all your changes, whether it's organization, edits, or deletions, have taken effect properly. Double-check that your folder structure, file names, and access settings match what you intended. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.